principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. I am Pujasri from 8th Delight. I would like to speak a few words about today's auspicious day. Today on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our country. This is the day for all of us to celebrate and honor our nation. This is the day to remember the sacrifices of freedom fighters whose efforts gave us independence. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. India got independence from British rule on 15 August 1947. Today we celebrate the 73rd Independence Day of our country. Since independence, our country has developed rapidly in the fields of agriculture, education, manufacturing, science, sports, technology and many more. But India is also facing some problems like terrorism, poverty, inequality, corruption, etc. So let us all pledge to do our best and overcome these problems. Let us all work together and make our country the best country in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.